If you want to become successful online or even offline, you have to really observe what successful people are doing and try to copy the methods that they're doing. Right? I'm sure you've heard of the saying, don't reinvent the wheel. Okay, so that's what this video series is all about. It's about funnel hacking. So, funnel hacking is more specific to online businesses, but again, you could utilize some of the methods here for your offline business if that's what you have. Okay, and funnel hacking may sound a little shady because of the word hack, but this is a legitimate way to observe your competitors or any other successful businesses that you want to emulate. And it's basically a way to get ideas from other businesses. Okay, so in this video series, I'm going to talk about funnel hacking. I'm going to tell you what it is if you've never heard of it, tips for funnel hacking, and also tools you can use for funnel hacking. You may have heard of the term funnel hack before, but aren't really sure what it means. Funnel hacking is basically the process of investigating a sales process, or specifically a funnel, so that you can get ideas for your own sales process or for your own funnel. So for example, if you want to emulate a certain marketer that you admire, someone that's very successful, what you could do is buy one of his products or her products, or opt into one of their squeeze pages. And what you would do is you would take a screenshot of each process. So you take a screenshot of the sales page or opt-in page, and if there's an upsell page, you take a screenshot of that, and you could also take a screenshot of the landing page, and also take note of the autoresponder messages and all the other follow-ups that they send you. Now here are some tips for funnel hacking, and you got to remember that there's no right or wrong way. Okay, so what you could do is you create a folder for a particular business or marketer or competitor that you intend to funnel hack, so you can put all your screenshots in that folder. But you should also create subfolders to better organize things. So for example, you could create subfolders for all their front end pages, and another subfolder for their back end pages, and a separate subfolder for their ads, for example their Facebook ads and their Google pay-per-click ads, and so on. Okay, and another thing you want to do is you type down notes onto a Word document or a notepad, and you type down what type of headlines they use, what colors do they use on their sales page, and what are their price points, and so on. Okay, so now here I want to cover the tools that you can use for funnel hacking. Okay, so one tool you may want to look into getting is called SimilarWeb. And with this, you can see any website's traffic sources and uncover their online marketing strategies. They even have this extension that you could download into your browser, and with this, it'll reveal things like the site analytics data and traffic and engagement stats with a single click. Okay, another tool you may want to get for funnel hacking is called SEMrush, and with this you can get insights into your competitors' strategies in display advertising, organic and paid search, and link building. Okay, and lastly, another tool you may want to look into getting for funnel hacking is called AdBeat, and with this you can see your competitors' marketing strategy, discover high performing publishers and placements, and identify their best converting ad copy, landing pages, and sales funnels. Now, there are many other tools out there that you can use for spying on your competitors, but these are just some of the main ones out there. But I do recommend that you do research as you gain experience with funnel hacking, and look for more tools that you can use that'll help you with your funnel hacking.